Hey, sweetness.
Okay, in our previous video, we've trying to find out what you are not supposed to do after you've done a job application, or maybe you've done an interview, and we came up with 3 points. But now I have some more points concerning on what you are not supposed to do. Number 4 is you should not be disrespectful or very unprofessional. Okay, this one may go without anyone saying, but being disrespectful and unprofessional in your follow-up communication can instantly turn off any hiring manager. Avoid using a slang or informal language and always maintain a polite and a respectful tone. This includes using manipulation tactics or including personal information in the follow-up process that is meant to sway the hiring manager your way. For example, maybe if you are a lady and you can tell the hiring manager that you are a single mother and you are struggling with finances, so you want him to feel that pain of maybe a single mother struggling. Or maybe you can even find you telling the hiring manager that he or she is your destiny helper, and you even end up quoting a verse from the Bible so that he can feel that emotions and give you a job. So you should not go to that level. Maybe you can even find yourself telling the hiring manager to meet for a cup of coffee, maybe so that you can present the application, or maybe you can discuss about your previous job application. If you do all these, it may turn off the hiring manager and you may find yourself losing that job, and maybe you are to be selected. The other point is that you should not take rejection personally. Don't make it a personal affair, even if maybe you've not been selected. For example, if you don't receive a response or you are told you did not get the job, it is important to maintain a positive and professional attitude. Don't lash out at the hiring manager or company, and instead thank them for their time and consideration. You never know when you might come across those people again, or maybe you might cross paths in future, and maybe, for example, personally I have an experience with a lot of entry level and junior roles. I was shocked to get maybe there was a senior candidate who was rejected. Maybe he was applying for a very senior position and he was rejected, but he took it very personal and even accused the hiring managers. Remember, the hiring process can be stressful and time consuming for both the candidate and the hiring manager. So the hiring manager is also a human. By following these guidelines, you can show your interest in the position without being a nuisance or annoying the hiring managers. Thank you very much, and I hope you've learned something from what I've shared today. Thank you.